Welcome to Celebrity Ascent, Aqua Sky Suite 10113. My husband and I had the pleasure of calling this home for 10 nights on a Southern Caribbean sailing. Easily making our top 3 features list is this forward-facing bed. Celebrity has gone full tech in all their suites and staterooms. So with just a couple of taps in the Celebrity app, you can close and open the shades, turn on and off the lights, control the TV and the thermostat, all while staying cozy in those cashmere sheets. The Aqua Sky Suite is already very spacious, but if you're looking to free up even more room, this desk here is retractable. Everything in the mini bar is complimentary for retreat guests. There's 3 very large and deep drawers in the dresser. In general, just an incredible amount of storage space in this room. Waters are fully stocked every day, and plenty of options for charging whatever devices you may have. Your butler's card will have a QR code so you can stay in constant contact through WhatsApp. And the same goes for your stateroom attendant. Here's the closet right when you walk into the room. Be sure to ask your butler right away for more hangers if you think that you'll need them. So again, like I said, there is plenty of storage in this suite. More shelves here. You have your safe, and below that you have a few more drawers. Okay, so the bathroom, and this is really great. This is where 2 of the other top 3 features are. Well, one I suppose is a feature, and the other one is a byproduct of the feature. At the far end is the toilet area. Right next to that, a full shower and tub. The rain shower feature is exclusive to only Aqua class suites and staterooms. Bathrooms are a standout feature anytime you're moving from a typical stateroom category to a suite category. Exclusive retreat class products. And I probably did the bathroom an injustice earlier when I said the toilet was a toilet area. It is an enclosed bathroom. The ample storage space continues in the bathroom. As you can see on the walls, both sides of the sink have plenty of space for each person to put their bathroom products. There's a vanity area here on one side with a great lit up magnifying mirror. You can see here the shelving from the other side. The sink is fabulous. It's huge and it has a faucet on each end. There's additional storage space with drawers underneath the sink, but my ladies with long hair, bring your own blow dryer. Celebrities is not great. Okay, it's time for the other top feature. The mirror in the bathroom opens up so you can see outside into the room and through your balcony. I'm telling you, this is a feature you didn't know you needed until you got it. And remember the byproduct of the feature that I hinted about earlier? Well, we're gonna come back for that, but for now, let's go take a look at the balcony. If you don't mind, and especially if you're finding anything helpful in this video, I would love your support if you could like and subscribe. So you can see that the balcony is a wonderful size. We did request full-size loungers, and Celebrity used to allow that. Unfortunately, there were some legal issues, and you can no longer get a full-size lounger on the square footage of any of the Sky Suites. You can see we're at the forward of the ship, which is where you will find all of the Aqua Suites. Okay, are you ready for it? This, folks, it's this right here. Standing inside the shower while being able to watch the ocean go by, dreaming about the ports that you're visiting, or just relaxing and swaying side to side, enjoying the view. Even more than the forward-facing bed, this will be the memory of the Aqua Sky Suite on Celebrity Ascent that you take home with you. If you are considering the Aqua Sky Suite on Celebrity Ascent, this gives you a real feel for the layout and design. And if you'd like to see how Celebrity's newest Edge-class ship has evolved, including the changes on Celebrity XL, watch that full ship tour next. And for more detailed cruise walkthroughs, be sure to subscribe.